In this video, I'm going to show you some really awesome YouTube video file hacks that you can apply that should improve your search engine optimization and the visibility of your videos, ultimately leading to more YouTube visitors watching your videos on YouTube. Most people know that when you upload a video to YouTube, you enter your main keyword phrase in the video title, in the video description, obviously in the video tags. This is pretty much common knowledge for most people, but one hack that people don't often consider or think about is hacks that you can apply to the video file itself, and I'm going to show you what I mean. We'll take this video here for example. The main keyword phrase is YouTube video file hacks increase rankings. First thing you want to do is when you name the video, most people, when they name a file, they use words separated by dashes. Sometimes people use underscores. But for uploading your video to YouTube, just use spaces. So let's say our main keyword phrase is, notice how I use spaces between each of the words. This is because when you upload the video to YouTube, YouTube is automatically going to convert the file name into a title. Saves you a little bit of time. Another thing you want to do is make sure each word is uppercased, like so, instead of this. It helps give it more visibility. There's some theories that doing this and capitalizing some of the words, the search engines give it more importance. That's debatable, but it still makes your video title and the video as it shows up in related videos on YouTube, it makes it stand out more, so it's a good idea. And another little kind of trick you can use that many people don't think about is insert one or two ASCII art characters in there. This is the page that contains many ASCII character codes that you can insert in your video, and I'm just randomly going to grab a few just to kind of show you the effect. That's a saxophone, which has absolutely nothing to do with YouTube, but I am just demonstrating this for learning purposes. Let's take another one, this one of the piano keyboard. We'll put that in there. Again, you want to use ASCII characters that are related to the words that are into the video title. See that right there, these few little tricks right there. First off, you're including the main keyword phrase in the video file name. You're uppercasing each of the letters. You're using spaces between each of the words. You're including a few ASCII characters. All these things improve the video's SEO as well as it make it more attention getting on YouTube. Now, a real trick is you select the video, right click it, click properties, but before you do that, click and copy the video file name, not including the extension, to clipboard. Then right click the video, properties, details. You want to paste that main keyword phrase with the ASCII characters into the title and subtitle. Give your video a 5-star rating by double clicking on the 5th star. Add your main keyword phrase without the ASCII characters, and then several related keyword phrases. Now, for the video file in Windows, don't separate tags with a comma. They're automatically separated with a semicolon. So we'll put a few more keyword phrases in here, related keyword phrases. Press on the end key to enter your next tab, and add a few more. And what you want to do is take each of these, put them in the comments, then scroll down a little bit, and then in these text boxes, put in URLs to your blog posts or any content you have on the internet that are directly related to the video that you're going to be uploading to YouTube. And you can put different URLs, like if you have different blog pages that are related to the video, you could input a different URL for each one. If you have other properties online on the internet that are related to that video, you can enter those URLs. Or if you'd like, you can just take the URL, your blog post, enter that same URL into each of these text boxes here. Then when you're done, the apply button, now your video is ready to upload to YouTube.